Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Claude Code to Figma. Let's get started. First, open Figma in your browser and make sure you are signed in to your account so you can access all your design files without any issues. Now, open your project or design file where you want to use Claude Code and make sure everything is ready. Next, go to the Plugins section from the top menu and click on it to explore available options. Click on Browse Plugins and search for Claude Code in the search bar. Once you find it, click on Install and wait for a few seconds until the installation is completed successfully. After installing, go back to your design file and open the plugin from the Plugins menu to start using it. Now, sign into your Claude account if prompted and make sure you enter the correct details. Allow the required permissions to connect Claude with Figma so the plugin can work properly without any errors. Once connected, you can start generating code or design suggestions directly inside Figma and improve your workflow easily. And that's it. You have successfully connected Claude Code to Figma, and now you can use it in your projects anytime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.